Making a toast. Cheers to learning English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably heard in movies, at celebrations, or maybe even used yourself without fully understanding its nuances. Let's make a toast. Stay with us to explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says, "Let's make a toast," they're not talking about bread. In this context, a toast is a way of expressing good wishes, congratulations, or other sentiments during a gathering by having everyone drink a small amount of alcohol after a short speech. The speaker usually holds up their glass, waits for others to do the same, and then speaks their piece before everyone sips their drink in agreement or celebration. It's a ritual of acknowledgement and solidarity among participants. The tradition of making a toast goes back centuries and has a quite literal origin. Historically, the term toast comes from the practice of placing a piece of spiced or toasted bread in a drink to enhance its flavor. Over time, the act of sharing these drinks at gatherings became associated with goodwill and honor towards people or ideas, evolving into the toast-making we know today. Making a toast involves a few simple steps, but doing it well can make a moment truly memorable. Here's how you can make a toast. 1. Get everyone's attention. You might use a glass and a utensil to gently tap your glass, or simply raise your voice to announce the toast. 2. Raise your glass. Hold your drink up to signal that you're about to make a toast. 3. Speak from the heart. Share your good wishes, gratitude, or the reason for the toast. Keep it short and sweet. 4. Conclude with a cue. End with a clear signal, like, to, the reason for your toast, to prompt everyone to take a sip together. Making a great toast is an art. Here are some tips to make your toast memorable. Be sincere. Authenticity resonates more than anything. Practice brevity. A short, impactful message is more powerful than a long speech. Be inclusive. Make everyone feel a part of the moment. End on a high note. A positive ending sets the tone for the rest of the event. We hope this guide helps you confidently say, "Let's make a toast," at your next gathering. Toasts are a beautiful way to connect with others and create lasting memories. So, the next time you're at a celebration, remember what you've learned today, and raise your glass with confidence. Thanks for watching, and cheers to your English learning journey.